Ndizi TV Ubwansu.
Magoro bengi yo mwancho murigereria yeritkoria halamis tarike 25 cy'umutenyi ugatano na gatatu umwaka na w'ekiri bwibere na 22 nigo bono ryarengeri tkori nene ase abagavana bachore korwa Sech County 45 aba bagutianwa bene eri gochago chaka kurwa obokoreri bwabo ase abananchi ekero county ya Mombasa ne county ya Kakamega cyatigumagega icho obachori borobire gokorekana kitariki 29 cy'umutenyi yuga ase kirogo cy'ubugavana Chinga kichinge karango kwarigania se amaye yensayemo iringo banyinara yayan kwariganeretie asenchera ere yobwikirana nyora nabakondra gotobwate asensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyore wetera Ndizi TV News nabogo tuitwetera @Ndizi TV News gose otobwate ase website yaito www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendere gusangana ya mankeri tangani gimatigana kumanyi egati yari ngwariganeretie
You swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people.
Mugavano mochore be county ya Kisii Simbarati gotiani wabende kurwa bokoreria somo menyi be county ya Kisii.
We are going to work with you on making sure that counties build the capacity.
Ntobwatirane na gusikia Kenya motwe na manganaye Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
Please engage the parents. We are now in an area of technology rather than asking the child to go home to collect the money.
Omowaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha kana boroki watu batumwenga asoko borwe school fees. Mwancho murigereria ya mnaenda mange ngo kwariga ninkomanya senchira yobwikirano eretariane Evelyn Osero oritokwatana nere kwenekia awikira sensemwe imanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Utaka banentwikomoerio ekero bono ryarengerit kori nene ase abagavana bachore bonsi korwa Sech County 45 ugotiani wani go korwa Sech County Nyamira umugavana mochore Amos Kimwominyaribo amono mokonyo ye Dr. James Ondicho Gesami baba gotianwa erio gochaka korwa bokoreri asaba na inchi korwa Sech County Nyamira gokwana chinga kecho nyalibonigo aliyeira yo gochya kwene kyabuna nkurware obokoreri borobya gocyase omumenyo Nyamira orobaterwa senchira yo bwekirano nigo twariganire no muri kito korwa Sech County Nyamira Job Monkey
Without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Omugavana we county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nomokonyo ye Dr. James Gesami mbachaka Esabaria yokobakolera bamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo ekero baba bagotianigwa asegeti yesukuru yoboroso ya Nyamira.
I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya. So help me God.
Amos Nyaribo, congratulations.
Omugavana we county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nairanelia bamenyi be county Nyamira mbuya mono ase okobachora asobochori obonene.
Chinguru mwangere ne cheno. Njenkoba omozombo ino.
Ase arwa irago chikobakolera abamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo nakobara atabwati obwanchereri bonde bwonsi.
Creation of new jobs annually to facilitate our farmers and the entrepreneurs to maximize the benefits from the industrial park. My government will promote financial inclusion through establishment of financial schemes and circles.
Omokonyo ye Dr. James Gesami narwa eirago chikomosira elinde bakini ekerengo gie county Nyamira.
Thank the great people of Nyamira for electing us, Your Excellency, and promise that we shall serve them to the best of our abilities.
abarayi bande baikirana sense meyo mbarwa eira gochikumubwatisia elinde aikiranie eganga yaye.
Kwa hivyo gavana, pongezi, na tunakuombea Mwenyezi Mungu awe nawe akuongoze.
Hujue ya kwamba leo yale yote ambao watu walikuwa wanangojea wataanza leo kukuuliza.
We were elected the same day by the same voters who are seated here today. Kwa hivyo ndugu yangu Amos, Daktari Gesami, tunaombea mema.
And on behalf of the people of West Mugirango, I want to thank you, Your Excellency Governor, for picking a deputy governor from West Mugirango.
Igo nabo amangana bagakoba ase ogotsianigwa kumugavana Amos Nyaribo ase arwa eira gochokorera abamenyi be county Nyamira emeremo kurwa ase county Nyamira kinko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Miamono murikeito Job Mangi asorbo terorikiranu korwase county ya Nyamira na korwase county ya Kisii mugavana Mochole Paul Simbarati nigaba kagotianwa bene au murobiro korkana asegeti ye Chigosori Kiagusi Stadium okwana chinga kiechyo arati nigabaga wakangambye mono ase bali bonse babete bawe soke na kumwakire kura asali ira yogo chiakoreta magendro ase county ya Kisii ndemo Stephen noroboti urwasenchira yobuime.
Aigana segeti ya Kiagusi Stadium abwa somo ya gamo kwa moja ni Paul Simbarati mugavana kabile imeka Goikera chinsa inya chia mambia nigo chiribu cha menyi be county ya Kisii amo nabageni konyora baicho ira sebirogo begeti Kiagusi abu banyora chinga kichinto ero lichoko gokigu na bali bae gwa mabaga Kere chinga kichiaika nigo mugavana wa Mochore Paul Simbarati aikera na Gusii Stadium. Omoye go yuobo gotiani gukwa Simbarati no mokonya ye Dr. Robert Monda nigora uno monachiebi na Lady Justice Teresia Madeka oyuoba tia nigo chaka venega siokura county na mbemerongene na isano Kisii County.
Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County.
I, Honorable Paul Simbarati, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Kisii County. So help me God.
Omugavana omutangani Kisii James Ongwae nigaye na kibuna namubwatisiye Simbarati engana ya iroru nabakwani bande baikirana.
I had my own problems as a person, but I want to believe that where I tried, I also tried. Na nje tigame ndo mumuloyo musani ono has taken over. Tigama ngana siyasa. Oyino musani ono na ruko mena batebi. I wish you all the very best, and may God be with you and may God bless you. Thank you very much.
Kasana boigo babusiaba. Mwana utoko machinguru. Na mimi kama mzee wa Gusii, I want to say, wacha sasa siasa tuweke kando. Wacha sasa tuingie katika mambo ya maendeleo. Omwano yo ingana mwateri iyanda lyogo chenji Gusii. Momo sabele, momo lende, momo mwate loko wapo. Esabari togo chindero ya chaka. Mopanga tore, una togo chingoliki kariya kemene. Mwepanga
ensemo ya Yesimba Arati nigateba nakore emeroberi ongwaya atigeire nchera kando na gwikirania emeroberi abakagwa kirekoko ase chikampaign chiaye
inje tini mwoba gokora turegasi mpaka marayika igoro ago nimbo atikigaji nyacyane tintage byaje pound na kitokonya abantu baitu banyore basa abantu baitu banyore amanyoba epara sonya kole
Chinga kiecho nigo abarai aokorwa ase birogo ase county ya Kisii baba gwikirana ase gusaso muyego ibogotiani wa kwarati erio koinekia ogotiani kwaye guchaka obukoreri ase county ya Kisii okwana so muyego yo mubunke o South Mugrango Silvana Sosoro nigabaga kumugania Arati gwikirania mirimo yaye buna ebwenerete asibo igabaka goteba buna nabarache kumurusia bisi aso kumubwa asobochori bumwaka wechi bibere na 2022 muri Keito Vincent Onyanja noroboti urwaso bwime
Nasegeti Kiagusi Stadium Ime ye county ya Kisii Nomojego omusachiri buchi abantu asensemeyo asebacha kwane kyogotani gukwayo mugavana mochalo Paul Simbarati aho bari no kugania konene kurwa sobo koribwaye abake nabanene nigo baikirana
Mheshimiwa kwani magana mange aya twagokimna ntobasai twagokigwe
riego ria bere rituko rironge sana ande rituko ryo mogoko ase ntubu nabasai twirire yani gose twagokeire omusai tukobe governor Kisii County
Bwate ne chinkwana chiaruru yaiga igotorojenga Kisii itonechera be mono era wana ikaga secretary ya bosongo aso chakorwa governor itenya Mheshimiwa Honorable Simba Arati
ona kira somo yega bwe Simbe ya Arati no monyegore ogwengenjo mono
abarai ao abachore nigo baikirana boigo gati ya baba bunge na boigo omu women rep nigo bayirana ryambu yo mugavana okurwa bisi James Yongwae ase boigo batewa mbachi kubwaterana nere Simba Arati asobo koribwe county ya Kisii.
Our outgoing governor Honorable Ongwae, thank you very much for the peaceful transition. May God bless you and your family.
I want to wish you and my wife and my family God's blessings.
Abantu bamindukia muri mwenzi. Obwatomo goko. My name is Dr. Manduku, Member of Parliament, Yaribari Masawa. Your Excellency Simba Arati, count on our support.
I am the Member of Parliament representing the great people of Bomachoge Borabu, and mine is just to wish the incoming Governor good health.
I'm here on behalf of my family and on behalf of the people of Kitutu Chache North to say congratulations to my brother Simba Arati.
Mono sana asoko bwachikura chobo governor. Avanjari are ready to work with you. We'll be coming with the other leaders to put our agenda to you as you prepare the county integrated development plan.
Maran is done. Now go to Ogembo. The last bit of the story, make sure you put up a good factory in my constituency. What we need is service delivery.
Kwa majina ninaitwa Mheshimiwa Zahir Chanda. Mimi ndio mbunge wa hapa Yaribari Chache. Sina mengi ya kusema kwa sababu ya muda. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, songa kidogo, nataka kuona Governor kidogo nimweleze. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, I want to assure you of our commitment and unwavering support despite our political affiliation.
Omubunge wa South Mugrango Silvana Sosoro gweterase kyama kya UDA nigamo manyara atibuna onya taligo chiko ikirania chire chiri yaberga koria nigo soro ago chiko bomo governor asobo choli wa 2027.
All the multitudes that you see here are about hope. They want to see change in Kisii. They want to see things flowing. They want to see you doing things extraordinary. They want to see bursaries. They want to see roads. They want to see employment opportunities. Actual employment opportunities, visible ones. And once you do that, trust me, in 2027, you'll have no competition. But if you don't do that, 2027, I'll compete with you, and I mean you if you don't do that.
Sorobo igoni gama nyarati buna nachi kumubwatane na William Ruto buna omuraibwense.
But if it goes to William Ruto, you must support William Ruto so that we proceed together. And me, as the chief whip of the National Assembly, I'll make sure I connect you there so that we progress together. William Ruto is the president. I must accept that. Thank you very much. God bless you. William Ruto, your rise. Asante sana.
Ikoja bere mugoko guchesa manyibe county ya Kisii asiri tukolero asomo yogo mwenye nao bere kokolekana igasegeti kya kuti stadium agwa sebo yo mugabana agwe county ya Kisii oyo bono mugabana motore Paul Simbarate abereka kuti ni wali tukolya rero nakolia ira yogo chigo koremeremo amanyibe county ya Kisii ekyo batigata nono kuikiranda mange ase county ya Kisii agwa sebo mugabana agwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarate atero na kuikiranda mange ase emyaka erebosio na Tinika Tebruda, Ganga ya Damu Chukonyana, County ya Kisii, Aseka Kiem Miaka 10 Erebosio, Anaya Bakolekana Siri Chukonyalero, Koripoteri ya Ndizi TV Koru, Aseka Tikia Utisandama, Imeje County ya Kisii, Etuwane Nchonkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Mbiamono muriketo Vincent Onyancha asorbo tororo ikeranu ekerwa n'abamenyi county ya Kisii bari no kwegena unabara yabombachiye ko bayikeraniria amagendero aye babete bakorya chira chingaki barenge kwerigeria chikura togotikana nayo nigo mubungo mochore webunge Yoboonchoreria Charles Onchoke aritkorya rera bagakumerana n'aba MCA korwase chiward chonsi asebunge Yoboonchoreria eryo kwanira amagendero yebunge yogo kwana chingaki echo abara yabo nigo bari irayo gochya bwaterana eryo korwa bokorera borobi chase omumenyi bwebunge Yoboonchoreria robatorwa senchera yoboime nigo twariganire no muriketo Brighton Makori
abarai bari bachorwa kurwa sebunge Yoboonchoreria bakorawa no membi omochore Charles Onchoke amo na ba MCA bane kurwa segodi ya Morenda ogyakum liana na umaliba nigo bono bachiramo ilikwene kibinanga kibao chikosira emerubuli magendero asebunge Yoboonchoreria
mono sana so twegena watawa egasiye twayebolete mugaturigere mugateba into mokwa bya mono sana ento kwa ine kalinga kigasi ko korotore kubatikane chingujo to system chito
baukwana ekero baumirana nigo bano batebiruna ene erenjire yemo bauchukwene kinango kora bare mirimo
endro twansire byana abande bonse bamitunda ba MCA bechuo chito yonsinya ngamotore tubona ngamoto chikungusera tokonye mechande mu nchaito maiteme chande Yoboonchoreria menge sana wana yuti watu watigasi amacheta iyo jiskuru jeto njiri chindonge wali wetu wachirense
gatebiruna ene erenjire yemo bauchukubwaterana na ba MCA bonzi ikoleta magendero ensemo eyo
tochukubwaterana na ba MCA kwa kuliginsa egese county na nchengende garisa serikali yegoro na lete bintu byabamo byakonye kinyuru
Ismail Matundura no mu MCA obugyakumu oyibono togiri engane iyo
tuachamo una leadership ya Yoboonchoreria tokongoswa na oyo mindo Daktari Onchoke ambaye oyo oremo omweshimiwa ochore tukuru Yoboonchoreria nogocha gwaito amo tuachire buna abarai ba Yoboonchoreria linde kurigereria ngakito wanse meremo tole amo kuruma guys to arure mangana ya taraba toracha muchumbe tana gocho gotobeka amakurende ndagitente ngakere mweshimi wetu ngambuye kiagara na ruturangiri aba MCA baye bonse bane buna tura na inderende twaigwananire twabikire mirobiri ngakito chigokora korera abana inchi ba Yoboonchoreria emeremese miaka etanere mutwe
Dismas Trisanere kurwa segodi ya umaliba ni gatogiria abamenyi benseme yo anekraba mochora
twankira nina se geisaranso twabwate ngane kene kere turabamo na lituragende bosio iko toigwana kwa kauri moja tubwatira ne gasi bono mochumbo ito na into muna ba MCA baye egere togendi Yoboonchoreria ito kogendera bosio no nyenkendo tutari kusaba kurwanda onsi twagesaba turahamo muno Yoboonchoreria
John Ombati nere ore omwe MCA bwe wodi ya Morenda nigateberuna ogo chamo no mochumbe bwenseme yo nigo bono kuraji kwenda kibuna ngora bare miroberio elio mwe MCA arakore no mubungara kore ase ensemo yo
hatutaki ile mambo yenye imekuwa ikitokea unakuta MCAs wanafanya mambo yao kando
mjumbe anafanya mambo yake kando. Hata pasa tumeelewana, tumesema pasa tukifika wakati wa pasa tutakuja kukaa pamoja, mjumbe akipeana tuone kama atapeana kuanzia colleges na university, alafu na sisi tupeana kwa secondary school. Hapo ndio tunaweza saidia watu wetu wa Bonchari.
Umwando Victor no mwemusie kurwase wodi ya Liana neroteberuna okubwaterana nigo gochikwenekiwa.
We have sat for 4 hours discussing issues touching Bonchari, and we have agreed that from now on we shall work together.
Godipoteri egetaseni Ndizi TV kurwase bunge ya Bonchari iridariane Brighton Makoli.
Muwaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha nigaboririe abarokia kwenekya buna tibali ko basere abarokia ogochachinga kubwatikana no kuborwa we school fees bunenchira yemo yo kubachinga kinyororo kwegendereria ase amasomabo yani gaya kwana chinga kikirana ase eskuru ya senior chief Musa Nyandusi yogotoka se chinsemo chia kegatime county ya Kisii elio kwenekya okoigorwa kwebirasi bya CBC. Magoha boigo nigamenta goteba buna e county ya Kisii nigo yeikiranirie kerengo kemeronge tano neta igoremia ase obwagachi bwebirasi ebyo bya CBC. Josephat Amisi no roboti orwasenchira yobuime.
County ya Kisii nigo yakiranire ekerengo kemerongo etano etatu asemia asobwagachi bwebirasi ebirigeretiko chigoikirania omuroberi obuye bw'ekisemi CBC ayangorengana no mwaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha.
Among the counties that is holding us back, and that's why we are here with our team. Regional Director of School is here with us. I'm being told that now we are at 80%, which is still below the average, which is now approaching 90%. We intend to complete this exercise by Friday next week, so that I can also rest like others are resting.
Professor George Magoha nigo yakwanaya ikero atarira eskuru ya senior chief Musa Nyandusi kegati asaba iganyara ko bagakora omuyega bwo koigore birasi ebibya nyareko ba abikoga cyo gwikirania omuroberi yo niko Professor Magoha airari bagerio ko bakera bali mwambia mono asebo igo anyara ko bakoikeria abalimu abanene b'ekisukuru abagendete ko babagotoma abana chinga elio kuchukuya school fees.
Our teachers can be compensated enough for what they do. I think we leave that to God Almighty, because if it was compensation that they required, then perhaps the government would not be able to compensate them. Totally wrong and misdirecting to say that all the children are being sent home because government is not giving money. The government, which is being led by His Excellency President has ensured that money due to children for capitation is in schools as and when it is required. And I have said very, very firmly that it is proper and just for us to ensure that we do what His Excellency the President has directed us to do.
Nonyeramo igoriye nibo eye serikali enene kubwatuka gochikogora ebitabu byo gosoma. Professor Magoha nigo atabire serikali yanyaltoko bagikwirari bagerio na kweneke ngaya nyale ko bagikogora ebitabu na boigo ko bitoma gocha ase chiskuru ao.
Yeah, a little bit of noise that we are retaining textbook money. Of course we are retaining textbook money because we are providing textbooks at the ratio of 1:1. So remove politics. Take a good look at me and see whether I fit a political party. I don't fit any, and I don't intend to fit any. I'm just a worker, a professional worker for that matter. So that money, while we are still under the leadership of President Kenyatta, will be retained. What people should be asking us is, are books in schools? Are our children having books on the ratio of 1:1? And the answer is yes.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV Korwe County ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amisi.
Na korwa se county ya Nairobi nigo omugavana Omochore Johnson Sakaja abagagutianwa bene gochaka obokoreria se county eyo hasali ira yogochia koreta Moonchoreria imeye county ya Nairobi okwana chinga kyecho omurayo munene Omochore oyikirana Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigateba buna nigo barache kubwaterana nabarayi bonsi kwene kyabuna ense ya Kenya ayagendereire Frida Kerubo na tuariganirite roboti urwasebimi.
Rituko rero nigo muyiga bwogotiania abagavana okorekana ase enseito ya Kenya. Abagavana 45 nigo batianigwa na kwererigwa obugambi eligosoa abisi na gochaka emirimo. Ime county ya Nairobi nigo morobili yokorekana ime ya KICC ase omugavana Johnson Arthur Sakaja atianigwa.
Sakaja Arthur Johnson do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Governor of Nairobi County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
Chinga kiecho boigo omokonyo ye James Mshiri nigatianigwa ase ogochikobwaterana na Sakaja eriko ene kibuna baletire amagendero ime county ya Nairobi.
I, James Njoroge Mushiri, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Nairobi County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
Orai omochore ogatano bwense nigo aikerana ase chinsemecho na kumuiraneli mbia mono Sakaja ase okubwatranere chingaki chiobochori.
Let me join the people of Nairobi in congratulating you, Governor Johnson Sakaja, your deputy and your team for a wonderful election period that I shared with you and many other Nairobians and Kenyans.
Igonigo agokera abagavana bonsi bale gotianigwa lero anene mono abasubati batano na babere ase kirugekyo ky'obugavana.
Allow me to pass very special congratulations to the women elected governors of the Republic of Kenya.
Nigo ali eirago chikobwatana na bagavana bonsi ase kerengo kerengaine iliokoleta amagendero ase chikaunti ase boigo aeneki obekire emerobelio ilioko eneki onsi aikeranire.
Pledge that the government of Kenya, the national government of Kenya, will work with all the governors of Kenya in making Kenya a great nation.
Boigo nigo aerera okwegena kwae ase Sakaja iliokoleta amagenderero.
I want to tell you, my friend and brother, that we will work with you. We have confidence in you. We are proud of you. And we know the great city of Nairobi has the best that it can get in terms of governance.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Nomori keito Sara Nyarangi Ontita nigatwariganiritio roboti kurwase ogotianwa kwa bagavana abo kurwase county gati abe county ya Kisumu, county ya Nakuru, Kirinyaga egatie chinde chinyinge echo chiarenge gatie chi county emeronkene na isano ase abagavana baba gotianwa abali irayo gocha kurwa bokoreri burubu yago chiase abananchi.
Chitariki emeronge bere na isano nigo chabege tuensemo eliokoba echiabene asaba gavana amana bakonyi babo kurwa chikaunti emerongene na isano abo bachorwa asobochori bwaera bwangoiga kulia chira chiabo choko cha kemeremo buna abagavana bene nigo batianigwa bosio bwabamenyi asaba igo bateba bagocha gwikirania onsi asegeka kimyaka 5 erebosio abaigangati y'abagavana balia chira omubasolero Paul Otuma kurwe county ya Busia, Kawira Mwangaza kurwe county ya Meru, James Orengo kurwase county ya Siaya, Susan Kihika kurwe county ya Nakuru, Ann Waiguru county ya Kirinyaga, Irungu Kangata county ya Murang'a, Kilonzo Junior Omakueni, Professor Anyang' Nyong Kisumu, Dhadho Godhana Tana River, ngati ya bagavana emerongo enena batano aubatianigwa asebiti ime ya Kenya nechi na chochira chiabo.
Dr. Tuoma Paul Nyongesa, having been elected as the governor of the county of Busia, do hereby confirm that I have read and understood the Leadership and Integrity Act number 19 of 2012.
Fear,
favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
And perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God. In accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Supply reliable water to every homestead by rehabilitating and augmenting existing water schemes.
The public good, not just the self-good.
Perform my function in the said office. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
So it is now clear to
Sara Nyarangi Ontita, Ndizi TV.
Miamono umurike ito Sara Nyarangi Ontita ase oraboti ururikiranu wekiraga igo mwancho murigereria nongo korera maya yense ya masenchira yo wekiranu kurende inyoro na chikoraga chinse isato ayamuna enda mange ninjoko yaretara na inda senchira erengikiranu gendra gutwara burigereri boro bya hime ya Ndizi TV na bo bwanso musi boigona boto bwate ase website ito wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke asensemo ya Facebook tonyore wetera Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo asensemere ya YouTube nigora tonyore Ndizi TV News ire togendere gusangana mange oburigereri boro byahirietariane Evelyn Osero ultuwa kubatanere kwenekia awikeira sensemo yimanyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Auta.